Namaskar, greetings from Dr. Reena Pathak for the Thursday video. Board exams, competitive exams, assessments of all kinds are around the corner, and we see a lot of stress in our students. Students of any age, be it a toddler, be it a middle school student, be it a senior secondary student or university student or a professional course student. They take exam as stress. So today's video is basically on the tips to conquer the stress for exams. So you should have a policy of taking the exam just as a kind of a method which is going to assess what you already know. So first and foremost, you must visualize your success. You should visualize, manifest that you are acing in the exams and feel that pleasure. When that pleasure is there, then with that confidence, start your exercise of learning. Learning should not be just cramming or by hearting or trying to recollect what you already know. Learning should be in a systematic order. It should be question by question, chapter by chapter, and a time-bound routine should always be set for the learning. In between, you must take breaks because the R3 policy of relaxing, of taking a refreshment, and then recharging yourself is the policy of learning graph growing. You should also have breaks of maybe power naps. Maybe 20-minute nap, power nap can do wonders for your learning exercise. You must eat well, you must sleep well. Before finishing your learning process at the end of the day, just summarize all you have learned in a mnemonic way, your fun way of learning, and then go to sleep on a clean sheet. You can watch some funny videos to keep you excited and into that game of learning. You must talk to family, to friends, to people who keep you on topics other than studies too, so that your mind is relaxed and you can take whatever you are doing on the learning process in a positive way. Your affirmations have to be really positive. You should never get disheartened that I don't remember this. In between your books, the pages should be stuck, and things you forget, I already told in my previous video, you should write in red, so that when you are flipping through those pages, you just remember those notes in red, and you know these are the pointers I keep forgetting, I must remember them. Rest, you can use as many colors and you can use as many methods and mnemonics to make your learning easy. Anyone who distracts you from your mission, you should keep them at a place which is maybe not very offending also, but you should realize that at the present moment, that person is not going to give you any kind of inputs for your learning. So keep them at bay for those moments. Keep talking to people who encourage you, people who give you a morale booster to keep learning and to keep fighting that fear which is within. A fear during the exam is just a normal condition which you can easily conquer. It is not something which is abnormal. Everybody faces fear during the learning process. You must conquer it and try to believe in your strength and the power of the Almighty and you must seek the blessings not only of the Almighty but all people by doing genuine efforts of trying to get those blessings. Like, you must be respectful to your elders, you must be very helpful to your juniors, so that each one gives you a blessing in disguise. So, with these tips, I'm sure you will conquer that fear and you will ace the examination. So, whatever examination you're sitting for, be it a board examination, be it an assessment, be it an annual examination, be it a competitive examination, or any professional examination where you are going to cross a level and achieve your target, then all the best and just dive in and pass it with flying colors. Thank you, take care, and if you liked the video, do subscribe, like, and comment.